I'm kind of questioning whether or not these legs are strong enough to hold this dresser or this table because it's so heavy. And I'm missing screws. That's why I couldn't find them. That's a dirty trick to play. So it's literally just,
screw-ons.
Yeah, screw the legs on both the stool and the dresser, and then just attach the mirror. The hardest part for me is gonna get this foot, because it's heavy.
You want some help?
Yeah, I think this time I'm gonna need help. Nothing looks damaged. Everything looks great. Except for that screw is making me nervous. Oh, that's really easy. It's almost like, it feels like rollers even though it's not. It's really easy to move. Oh.
Yeah.
The screws back here match that one, but I don't see a hole that's missing a screw. Oh well. As long as it doesn't fall apart on me, I guess it's okay. Mirror, mirror, mirror. Is it not pre-drilled?
Nope.
Damn it. Okay. So I just start screwing it in. You don't need a drill for this, right? You just screw it in and it goes in on its own?
That's not wise.
So I need a drill?
Mm-hmm.
So good. It looks great. There's no damage to it, thankfully. But we're not done yet. Next up, we're going to install some lights to it since it didn't come with any. So let's see how it looks after that. Cut the light board into separate ones. So basically we're going to separate these. So basically I've got it running up along here. I've kept the wires a little loose for a reason. Got it going around and it's going back around behind the mirror. Coming out the side here. Now the way to turn it on, so we're going to press that. Ta-da! And to dim the lights, we're going to hold on to that. So it gradually dims as you hold on to the power button. And then to turn it off, tap it again. So turn on and off, tap, brighten or dim, just press. And there you have it. Alright, so here is the finished product. Now what I ended up doing is hiding the wires under some little floral decorations I made myself. Now I said I was going to leave the wires a little loose for a reason. This is why. I just basically arranged some floral decorative I guess craft supplies that I got from different craft stores. Now after some trial and error, I think I probably would have done better with hair clips instead of clothespins, because these are still pretty thick and they were a little hard to get onto the wire, but they still do the purpose that I intended them for. It's not too bad. Isn't that pretty? It took me a couple hours. And sure enough, still got plenty of light. So I might add a few more decorations as I go along. I've already used it a couple of times. I've got my makeup set up in it already, and it is fantastic. It is big enough to actually hold all my makeup. And just in case I start accumulating more, I have some extra storage bins. But for now, this is doing the job well done. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys have a good one.